Okay, let's go ahead and do the experiment. Okay, let's begin adding the drops to our template. So I'm going to begin by adding the nitrate solutions. Okay, now that all of the nitrate solutions have been added, let's go in and add a drop of sodium solution to the top of each. Notice at this point you can still see all of the shapes completely unobstructed. What you're going to be looking for is any obscuration, any blocking by precipitate of that shape. Let's start with sodium hydroxide. Okay, at this point you should be able to tell the difference between a fully clear solution where there is absolutely no modification of your ability to see the shape under the drop and the formation of a precipitate. Now this may vary. In some cases the precipitate will completely obscure the shape. In some cases, there will only be a partial obscuration of the shape. And in other cases, there will only be a light cloudiness above the shape. Go ahead and mark AQ for any solution that remains completely clear, and PPT for any of these that even slightly obscured the shape underneath. I will give you a hint. There is only one here that will not match your predictions. The challenge is for you to figure out which one of these did not fit your predictions.